Hey guys, what's going on? It's Alan GD for Life, bringing dip review number 3. Unfortunately, I was going to go get Kayak LongCut wintergreen today, my usually normal dip on a low budget, but they were out. So I decided to get the worst dip of all, Cancer in the Can, Kayak LongCut straight. This is not going to be a good experience for me. So, I've not had this in a while, maybe a month or two ago. Not really looking forward to this. But that's the only thing they had in the store. I guess they were out. But let's take a whiff and a scent. And not too hard to open. As you can see, pretty dark. Ugh, not the best smells either. So take a lip with me. If you're not packing anything, that's cool. And I don't understand this. Kayak is bad for this. I don't know if you can really see it on the camera, but it looks like somebody took a dip out of this, which is totally disgusting. So, cheers, I guess. And Kayak does not want to pinch too well. So, there's the pinch. So, it's got that just plasticky taste. It's not a good dip, I admit. But, unfortunately, that's all they had today. I'd rather have the wintergreen. I still say Kayak wintergreen's the best out of the kayaks, in my opinion. Compared to this, to the Klondike blew it away. It's got like a natural taste. It's just, ugh. I'm going to have to give this one a 3 out of 10. If you want to dip straight, go Longhorn. Or go Klondike if you can find it. But unfortunately, this is not a great dip. Giving out a 3. So do not. I mean, if you want to try it, you can. But let me see if I can get some spit out of here. There you go. That's the spit. So, unfortunately, this is not a great dip at all. But if you want to try it, you can. If you don't, that's fine too. But definitely not the best Kayak. If you're going to buy Kayak, go wintergreen. I think Kayak's got I think the low budget is wintergreen you can get. If you're going to dip Kayak, go get wintergreen. But until then, this is Alan GD for Life, bringing dip review number 3. Until then, take care, like and subscribe as always. Keep dipping and spitting, keep cracking and packing. Peace.